This is step 2 in the 1-point perspective city for my Art 1 students. After you have the 5 buildings on each side of your project, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to do windows and floors. Now, again, we have vertical lines, horizontal lines, and orthogonal lines. Now, vertical is height, horizontal is width, and orthogonal line gives you depth. Those are your 3D. Now, you already have established height, width, and depth on all 5 of your buildings on each side. And the way that this works is when you are establishing your floors, it depends on which side and which side of the building. So for the rectangular side, you're going to put dots to establish where your floors are going to be. Now, for the ones that are rectangular, all you would need to do is use horizontal lines. Make sure you measure on the side of your paper, making sure your ruler is perpendicular to the side of your paper. Perpendicular means at a right angle. And this is how you put floors on your rectangular part of your buildings. Now, on the trapezoidal part, or the part that gives you depth, it's the same thing. From those points, they go to the vanishing point. So you put your ruler on your vanishing point, and you draw lines from those points to the vanishing point. This is how you do floors on your objects. How you do windows, those are all vertical lines. You take your ruler, making sure that your ruler is perpendicular or vertical to the bottom of your paper. And you draw vertical lines. Now you will need to have this done on at least 3 of the 5 buildings on each side of your midline. This is your midline. You will need to have this done for at least 3 of the buildings on each side of your midline. And this is step 2. These are floors and windows.